These hands, sanded down and worn out by dust storms and wartime and hysteria, they carved a bird from the thick edge of a wooden vegetable box, carved beauty from devastation, from isolation, from incarceration. And the bird? She is made of wood and loss, of men ripped from their wives' arms at their doorsteps, of tear-stained handkerchiefs waving like a white flag, of train rides on one-way tracks to nowhere. She's made of only what you can carry, of shikata ganai and gaman. She's made of a beautiful longing, glowing with the color of an unforgettable dream, a tragic reminder that she could soar where her creator couldn't. While these hands pressed against guard towers and waited, the wooden bird spread her wings, nose pointed toward possibility, sorrow in her tailwind, and hope lifting her high above the barbed wire fences below. My great-grandmother lived in a world where people were caged and birds were free. Like so many, she transformed heartbreak into art, carving dreams into plywood birds, etching hope into sparrows, trust into bald eagles, and waiting for the day when she too could be free. When People Were Caged and Birds Were Free by Paiton Gleeson.